What's up, YouTube? It's Damie from the Zendoc here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is doing okay today. It's good to see you. In today's video, I plan on taking you through what should be a really simple, easy to follow 3D art tutorial. And so for this tutorial, I'm using packing foam. This is something that a lot of people have laying around, or you tend to get when you order packages. And I'm just going to show you a really fun tutorial using this packing foam. And so I already have these pieces pre-cut and I have a vision in mind. And what we're going to do is just walk through that process. And so the very first thing is I will be gluing this foam to the canvas with the help of my hot glue gun in a way that brings the pattern that I have in mind to life, and we'll check back in afterward. So first things first, I'm going to take some time to focus on placement. Make sure that the pieces are straight, they're laying exactly where I want them to be, and then I'll proceed with gluing it to the canvas. So this is what we have. I'm happy with it. And so my next step is to quickly mix up a thick joint compound paste, which is really just my joint compound powder with some water, and begin to layer that over this entire canvas, and just, begin to cover up the packing foam. And so I'm just gonna mix that up, get situated, and get back to filming. So I'll see you guys in a second, or you'll see my work in a second. So the piece is actually ready to be painted, and I'm excited to be doing that. However, for the last couple of days, I've really been going back and forth on what color or colors I want to paint this piece. I've also tried a few color combinations over here, but ultimately I decided I am going to start painting the whole thing black because there's a very strong chance I'm just going to love it that way. Or I might introduce other colors, but the one thing I'll say is I will be adding just a little bit of baking soda to my acrylic paint just to give it a little bit of texture, and that's a hack for you if you're not already aware of the simple hack. If you're trying to get a little bit of texture, just add, maybe a tablespoon or a teaspoon of baking soda to your acrylic paint and you'll get texture. The more baking soda you add, the more textured your painting or your work will be. But yeah, we're just going to do that and check back in with the final result. And this is the final look. I chose to keep it black for its simple, understated elegance. I'm sorry I couldn't get better videos. It pretty much sold immediately, and the weather has been really gloomy, but I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. I really love it so much. I love how it came out. Honestly, I have no complaint.